It's the last First Minister's questions before these lot go off on their summer holidays, so politicians are keen to make a final splash before close of play. Darren Miller is asking why a recent announcement seems to show farmers in Wales are the only sector getting a real terms cut. But first, Shane Leb-Iorwerth is going somewhere this party haven't been in some time. He's bringing up the I word, independence. He says that a First Minister should believe in Wales's ability to govern and prosper on our own. But Eluned Morgan says she's as Welsh as anyone and is sticking up for Wales in the right way.
But how disheartening and yet sadly predictable it was when the current First Minister was asked the question on the Newsagents podcast, could Wales manage? And it was a no. Wales would be extremely poor, she said. But of course, Wales isn't somehow inevitably poor. Remember that our current position is a direct result of our place within the UK, breaking out of those cycles of economic stagnation, of too many families living in poverty is pretty difficult when successive Westminster governments fail to address the issue of fair funding, underfund transport, as they did again recently with rail, denies the powers over our natural resources, and so on. Every indicator shows that the union is on borrowed time. So why doesn't the First Minister believe in Wales?
Well, I can tell you there's nobody who believes in Wales more than I do. I have got a red dragon running through every little blood vessel in my body. But what I will tell you is that we are dead serious about being positive about this country and about talking it up.
Fair funding has been the hot topic this term, and it will dominate a lot of the talk when the campaigning starts next year. For now, the Plaid leader wants to know when the so-called outdated Barnett formula, which many have argued underfunds Wales from Westminster, will be replaced and modernised.
Now, all the First Minister could say was that she will keep on making the case, but she keeps on saying that and nothing happens. Her Westminster Labour colleagues ignore her day after day, week after week. Now, when I last asked the First Minister what her next move will be on fair funding, in a reply which appeared to embarrass all of her front bench, she said she was going to the football. Can she come up with a better answer today?
Independent referendum now? Look, I'm at the table and I'm getting things done, and we have had additional support from the UK government, including £6 million, £5 million additional funding that you and the Tories tried to block from coming in. I do think it is worth making sure that people hear that again and again. We have been given a poor deal when it comes to rail for years on end, and we're getting to a better place. Is it far enough? No, we want to go further, but it's definitely in a much better place than it was before. That was because we put significant pressure on the UK government.